Hey everyone, it's Beth just after class, and I just want to explain about what to do to make something a template. And goodness gracious, I gotta fix that. Okay, so if you have a design that you like, and you're like, okay, I like this, I'm gonna use it again and again, you can turn it into a template. The other great reason for making a template is if you want to give something to your students so they have the format. So this is how you can create a template. So first of all, I took my original document and I sort of like deleted everything out. I changed the sizes of it so it has a 5-inch margin here. I made it the regular paper size. So you just go to File, Page Setup, and make sure you had it, the sizes that you wanted. So for white space, sometimes you have, 1-inch margins all around, but for me, because it has the title up here like this, there ends up being a lot of white space anyway, so I tend to sometimes just have a 1/2 inch, but whatever you'd like to do. I like this font. This Open Sans font is one that I've been enjoying a lot lately. I think it's easy to read. So whatever you want, you sort of get the document the way you want it. And so now this is the way I want it. It has a stop sign. I love it. So then what you need to do is you need to open up. You have to go back into your docs on the side, and you can actually do it right from the document too. But when you're here, the template gallery is up here, and then there's this 3 thing that you can hide them, but let's just click on the template gallery, and these are all the options that we have. And so like this choice board I had done in the spring just to show like how you could do a choice board. So now I can click this to submit a template, and so then I just pick my document, and I can submit a copy of the document instead of the original, so that was probably a good thing. I'm going to pick on the document that I might want. And so I'm going to go to my recents. And so this is the one that I want to use. And I'm going to click the open. And then I could title it. So I called this one, document template directions. And so I would say, and if there was a category, let's say what they have, high school, lesson plans, presentation designs, and then hit submit. And so this goes, and someone needs to approve it. I happen to be someone who can approve it, so it's anyone on the tech team. They can approve things. I'm going to pause and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I thought I was going to get an email, but guess what? Because I have a certain level of access, mine just automatically gets approved. So yours would go, and I would get an email. Bryce would get an email, Jared, Amanda, so anyone on the tech team is going to get an email to say like, hey, someone wants to submit a template, and we would just click approve. And so then the template exists there, and people can use it. So that's all you have to do to create a template, and it will be there for people to use, and then they just need to go to the template gallery to find it. So again, and this works the exact same no matter what document they're using. So if they're using Google Slides, it's the exact same thing. So the template gallery, if I had a format that I would like to do, so someone put the Slides Carnival one as a template gallery. So someone has a flyer out there. So there's all different. So there's the Jeopardy template someone put, museum template, and I did this letter tile board. So whatever you want, you can put it out. It's the exact same thing. So you can click this submit template. So any of the tools, any of the Google apps, you'll see this template gallery. If they have a template gallery, just go there to submit the template. So the last thing I just want to show you is if you wanted to use one. So let's say I wanted to use this choice board. I would just click on it, and it's just going to wait for a second. It's going to come up, and now I can just edit, and I can add to the choice board, and I can put everything I want into it, and I can switch the sizes so I can make it something that is completely usable. So this one would be something if I wanted to put, different choices that the kids could use throughout the week or throughout the unit that they would need to have completed by the end. So you can sort of use any of the templates in that same fashion. And you can also get to the templates by clicking on the Docs Home. By clicking on that icon, it gets you back to the Docs Home as well. And then I can see more templates in the template gallery. So if I wanted to use, if I was doing directions again, I can go down here. And now this document would open, and I could use that. So it's really easy to use the templates. You just go to the template gallery. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm sorry I could not explain right away today, but I hope this helps now.